Listen, I'm so excited to have our conversation here today. We're going to be talking about this topic, which is the title of the show, the Lifestyle Investor Podcast. Before we go any further, you've got me intrigued, man. I've got to know, what is a lifestyle investor exactly? What does that mean? And how did you, Justin, become a lifestyle investor yourself?
Yeah, so a lifestyle investor is basically someone that has a lifestyle that they can live, and it's living life on their terms, and it's from cash flow that they earn from investments. And so the way I look at, being a lifestyle investor to me is I don't have to work. I have cash flow that comes from my investments that covers all of my living expenses and well beyond that. And so I really can live the lifestyle that I want to live, and I can do it on my terms. And so instead of having to work, I get to work. I have the opportunity to work on projects I want to work on, and I really get to stay inside of my zone of genius and inside of areas that I'm passionate about. So, really that's the whole idea of lifestyle investing, or becoming a lifestyle investor, is that that you don't have to be a slave to a job. You don't have to be a slave to a business. It's really putting life on your terms and living it that way.